What's the vibes, YouTube? It's your guy Will, back at you at the No Speed Limit Garage. Appreciate you guys tuning back into the channel. Today we're still working on my boy Marshall's Fat Boy. We're gonna outfit this thing with some new quick detach Viking bags. Give this man a little bit of more storage, because every time we go anywhere that is somewhat of a long distance ride, I have to put his stuff in my saddlebags. I think it's time when we change that. First and foremost, I want to give a shout out to Viking Bags as they sponsored this vehicle. We have a new set of their Pantheon quick detach bags made specifically for the Fat Boys and breakouts, 2018 plus Softail models. Stick around and see how this looks. I went ahead and cut these open already. These are the Pantheon quick detach bags. Let me get you guys up here. Each bag comes packaged in an individual compartment, little divider, so packaging is really good right off the bat. These are quick detach, and they have the new Viking Bags quick detach hardware and mounts already on the bag, so these should be really easy to install and also really easy to take on and off the bike. This is, I believe it's like a leather hard bag, leather wrapped hard bag, but let me get these out of here. Just wanted you guys to see how they come packaged. Little divider. Get one out and work on the other. Like I said, these are their Pantheon quick detach saddlebags, and these are made specifically for all your breakouts, Fat Boys 2018 plus Softails that you guys see in here. If you can see, you got nice little storage in here, little compartments, little storage. This is all Velcro, so it comes right out. Then you have a lock, a key in here, a lock. So I'm assuming you can lock it where they won't be able, people won't be able to walk off with the bag. Then you have a lock here to lock the bag. Even though this is a leather wrapped bag, it is like a hard bag. So you have plenty of storage for small trips or grocery runs, things like that. Not gonna lie, the quality on this seems really good, really well made. It's like a hard bag wrapped in leather. Storage compartment here, and then you have a latch here. Typically these leather bags don't have locks, these do. Latch here, and I'm sure the keys probably in the other one. Have your mounting hardware, keys, everything right in here. They are labeled, so left, right, for ease of install. See what else is in here. Instructions, all your bolts and stuff. You're in the market for some nice saddlebags at a very good price. Viking Bags is available. So I will tell you guys right off the bat, I did not look at any instructions at all whatsoever, because I think I can figure this out without looking at them. And if I can't, I pulled the one out, and right now I am just test fitting everything. But I wanted to get that bolt in there because if anybody knows from working on these Softails, you have a plate back here and it'll definitely fall off. The bolts sit flush in here as well. You don't have to relocate your turn signal with these, so that's really nice. That's kind of clean. The bolts don't stick out, they sit flush in the mount. Let's get this one mounted on here. This new quick detach system for Viking Bags, I've been really impressed with it. It's really nice. That's it. Literally 5 minutes to pull the hardware off and mount these on there. you have this little string here that pulls. Let me see, it pulls, and you see the latch there, it unlocks them. But you can lock, you got a key here, you can lock it so that tab doesn't come up. Have all your keys that came in here, bag keys, and I'm assuming this is your bracket key. So you got 2 bag keys for here, and then keys for here for the brackets. Got Viking Bags, nice little magnetic container here. The quality on this nice little velvet on the little case, the quality on Viking Bags has got a lot better in recent years than what it was. So there you have the brackets locked. Now this tab here will not come up, so the bag won't come off. Here, a little magnetic box with 2 keys, and this is where you lock that bag. Can't unlock it. Look good. Let me get them on here. I'll get you guys a profile look with both bags on there. So essentially this is before and after. Get the other one on, and quick, easy install. If you don't have any storage on your fat tire, rear fat tire Softail breakout Fat Boy, you can easily get you these Pantheon bags. Quick detach, literally takes about 5 minutes to install each bag. And then you have locks to lock the bags, and lock it to the bracket, and lock the bag to secure your belongings. So the bag won't get stolen off of your bike, and your belongings won't get stolen out of the bag. Let's get the bags are on. Don't look too bad, the side profile. Hopefully the sun isn't blurring you guys out, but they actually don't look bad at all on there. Let me go to the other side, the ugly side. Not too bad. Show you a shot from the outside. They don't sit too far away from that fender. You got plenty of clearance from the exhaust here, so you ain't got to worry about them burning it. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it. Viking Bags, Pantheon, Fat Boy, and Breakout 2018 plus Softail saddlebags installed. Marshall got some storage now, man. I don't want to hear put this in your saddlebag, put that in your saddlebag no more. Got plenty of storage now. Got his keys in there. This one's locked, and then this is locked so they don't come off. There it is, Velcro, the little cape strap that you pull. Velcro to the bracket. Fast, quick, easy, 10-minute install. Get some storage on your fat tire Softails. Once again, it's your guy Will signing out. Like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate you guys tuning in, supporting the channel. Catch you on the next one. Peace.